Sanibonani, imina-ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. Welcome to Wisdom X Magazine with your girl Pamela. If you're watching my channel for the first time, welcome. I want to talk to izingane zesithunywa. Let's all gather here ngikhuluma nezingane zesithunywa. When I speak about izingane zesithunywa, I am talking about ingane zengelosi. Ingelosi isithunywa. So kuneyingane ezineyingilosi ezigijimayo, meaning you are the chosen one. You are shown a lot of dreams. So I am here to just advise you njengengane enengilosi egijimayo. So if you are shown a lot of dreams, like umuboniswa a lot of dreams, you are not shown for free. You are shown to pray. Pray about the things that you see, because if you have shown things that happened before, things that are happening, and things that are going to happen. You are shown these things because of God has instilled a power in you to just pray about them and change the situations. So every time you see something, pray. The perfect timing to pray, seeing that is 12 o'clock is the holy hour. 12 o'clock, midnight, or during the day in the afternoon. 12 o'clock, when you have time, do use 12 o'clock as that hour that you pray. And if you are people abasebenzayo, when you come back from work, you're so tired, 6 o'clock should be your time to pray. 6 o'clock, pray and go to your prayer before having your supper, and then after you've prayed, you can eat. Another thing that you should know is that all the dreams that you are shown, you need not to tell anyone, but to pray about everything. Don't, because of you are told everything, you're informed about everything. Don't tell people. That is your secret. You don't have to share with anyone. When I just pray and keep quiet. Keep quiet and stay prayerful. And I know that a lot of people will say, mina ingilosi yami ayikhulumi, mina ingilosi yami iyakhala. When you start praying, uyakhala, or when you are deep in prayer, you feel this presence, that just that makes you ushawuvalo usabe ungasabi. Open your heart while you're praying. Vula inhliziyo yakho, because of umveli nqangeni abakini basebenza ngenhliziyo yakho. And when you feel that present, pray even more. Khuleka kakhulu, khuleka ungayeki, ungasabi, and let the energy serve its own purpose. Ngoba kusuke sekuphakamile vele ingilosi yakho ke manje kuyiyo evelayo manje. What you need to do is to just open your heart and let the energy, the presence, serve its own purpose. Stay prayerful, and konke will make sense, and you'll have peace. Okunye kumele ukwazi njengengane yesithunywa is that you will forever be challenged. You'll always come across challenges in your life. Don't expect a smooth journey in your family, in your work life, in all the spheres of your life. You will have challenges, but those challenges are there to mold you, are there to make you strong. So don't now be discouraged, but hlala usemkhulekweni. And when you are shown people that are your enemies, even if it's close people, do not react, do not retaliate. Just keep your distance and don't say much to them. Avoid being in contact with them. Avoid being with them, because of uma uyingane yesithunywa, you somehow just cannot pretend. If we are born ukuthi umuntu uyagadla, you will just want to retaliate. Enengilosi ingaphakama noma yinini. So try and avoid contact, try and avoid being in the same space with that person. Like, keep your distance, but stay prayerful. Kuko konke esengikushilo nina ngane zesithunywa, nina eniney'ngilosi ezigijimayo eniboniswayo konke, khulekani, ningayeki, khulekani ngamandla, khulekani ngokukholwa, and most importantly, fear God. Saba umveli, because of you are given this power. God has entrusted you with this power. God is showing you a lot of vision because of He believes in you and He trusts you that you will pray and make a change. So fear God. I'm emphasizing these words to say fear God because of we are the ones that are tested. We are more tested, like yithi esithestwayo ukudlula wonke umuntu. If uyingane yesithunywa, if unengilosi egijimayo, people will test you. You will be given a lot of tests, and somehow bazozama ukukuguqula manje ukuthi wenze izinto ezimbi. Do not do those things, but stay prayerful, fearing God. If you fear God, you wouldn't do anything engafunwa umveli nqangi. I love you so much, guys. Akube ubumbano ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu, akube uthando, akube nozwano. Asiphileni lempilo yamandla, impilo yokukhuleka, and see life being peaceful and joyful. I love you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. I love you so much, guys.